Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. My name is Amy and we are going to kit up my new diamond painting that I am doing for my sister at my request. But I got me one of these. I saw another diamond painter use this and I was really impressed by it. So this is the Hipowe, Hipiwe 132 bottles diamond painting storage carrying case, and this one is in the pink, but you can also get it in other colors such as blue and purple. So just go on to Amazon, or there may be other places that are selling this, and get your hands on one if you want it. But it's got a nice handle. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. I'm loving it. I'm not sure what this thing is for yet. I need to look it up and see. Okay, it doesn't show anything on there for what you would use that for, so I'll have to do more study on that. I'm not for sure. But anyways, so let me open it up for you. I am loving the Elizabeth Ward diamond, or not diamond. Oh, look what I did. I did it upside down. So this is going to be the problem that I have, obviously. But what I wanted to show you is that there are two layers. You have the lower layer, which is a smaller bottle. And then the upper layer has the bigger bottles. So there's just two layers here. So I saw this, and of course I love my Elizabeth Ward bead holder, or whatever you want to call it. But I saw this and went, oh, I've got to get that. For one thing, it's my fuchsia pink color, which I love so much. And I also wanted something to put some of my my supplies in, and there's a pocket on the top here as soon as I get this cleaned off. Hold on just a minute. Okay, got it all in there. So on the top of this you have an additional pocket, and they come with stickers that you can put on there, which I'd already done to one. You do have to make sure the lids are screwed on there real good. Now these containers don't feel the sturdiest. The Elizabeth Ward is actually a thicker product. The plastic is thicker, so I think it's going to last a bit longer. This is just all the stuff I put in there. That does not come with that. Please don't think it does. But it does come with the stickers. It has the pocket, which is pretty big for quite a few things. And then I'm gonna have to remember that the side with the belt over here is the side I need to lay it down on, because let me see if this side has. Okay, so this side, it doesn't have anything, but look at that material. It's it's kind of a silky feeling fabric. I like it though. It's pretty handy dandy. So anyway, so that's what we are going to use. I don't know if I want to keep that. We'll keep that in there for now. So that's what we're going to use for my new diamond painting. And if you haven't seen the unboxing of that one, I'll link it to this video up above. But I'm just going to go ahead and get this started. So I'm not going to talk through this. I'm just going to do it. The only thing I have to say is what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these, separate these. Actually, there's no, there's not. So you're just going to have to cut them off. I would just cut a little edge here and then put it in your containers. Now, some of these I have several bags of, so I may or may not open those quite yet. I may wait until I use it up in the container and then go ahead and fill it up with another one. So I'll probably put the extras up here in this, and that way I don't have to do any extra work. So the tip is to just cut the corner and pour it in. Along with that, what I'm going to do is take the stickers that come with this diamond painting, and I'm just going to match that up with the bag and just put the sticker on the top. If I had decided to go ahead and do all the bags just to get everything in here and not worry about it, I would have to use these stickers because there's only one sticker per number. So I would just use these little round stickers and stick them on the top. One more thing, I paid $36.99 for this, so that was on Amazon. Let me know if any of you are using it and what you think about it. So let's get started. So I am going to have to go ahead and do 2 of these because one bag is, or one bottle is not going to be enough for this bag. So we're going to go ahead and dump the rest in this container. Easy peasy. And now I just got to make sure to write down the number on that. And I'm going to use a Bic marking pen, ultra fine point permanent marker. If you use a pen, you have the risk of it, if you touch it by accident or whatever, it's going to smear. So you don't want that. So this is number 3325. And I might go ahead and put the sign on there too, if I can draw like that. You may also want to put a sticker on the side in case you get confused. You take the lid off and then you take a lid off another one. You don't get them mixed up. So I think that's what I'm going to do after. Well, I might go ahead and do it now. So let's do it now. I'm just going to put the number on it though. I'm not going to worry about the symbol. So what I'm also doing is I'm looking at the bag and seeing if it's a big bag of diamond beads. If it is, then I'm going to use one of these bigger ones, maybe 2 if it doesn't fit. And you just have to gauge your beads. Like these smaller ones, they're going to be able to go into the smaller containers. So you don't have to waste these big containers for these. And some bags, even though they have a ton of beads in them, like this one, you could fit a whole bag in it because they didn't put as many beads in the bag. So just look at it and gauge what you think, and just do it as you go. So, and make sure, like I had an extra one, they had thrown an extra bag of beads in there, and I was getting ready to set up my bottle for that and realized, well, I didn't have the sticker for that one. So had I not looked at this first, I would have made another bottle and didn't need to. So anyways, so there's that. got it all done. It's all kitted up. And do you just love the sound of thunder? I know I do. So I'm gonna pop in a video I just took. We're having a thunderstorm right now. It's so beautiful. I don't think you can see the rain in it, but I'm gonna put it in here. But I got all of the drills in their place, and so what I did was the top rows are the ones right here, those are all the ones with the actual stickers from Diamond Art Club. And then all the extra drills to those numbers are below it. And I did the same thing. These are the smaller bags of drills, and I put them in this one, in the smaller containers. And then if I had any extra, which on this one I only had one extra, I put them all there underneath. So they're all in order, all in numerical order, so that I can find them easy. And so I am excited. I like this a lot, so we will see if I like it in the bag. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to diamond paint with this open like this, but we will see once I get started. I haven't started, obviously. And see. Oh, the only ones that I didn't get in a container are these two. And so I'm just going to put them up here in the top of that bag, and then when I need them, I'll get them. But I didn't want to break them down and put them all in tiny little things like this. It was just be a headache. So we're just gonna, so that's pretty good for all those drills. I only had 2 bags left over. So I hope I have helped you all out. I have a ton of other diamond paintings that I have ordered, obviously. And I just haven't showed them to you all. I haven't done a whole lot. But anyways, so this is it. So now the next step is just to get started. And so I hope to have some videos on me doing this large diamond painting, which is, again, it is the Cozy Evening by Abraham Hunter. There's 2 AB drills, and there are 2 AB drills, and there are 105,534 drills in all, 56 different colors, and this is a square diamond painting. So it is a 96 centimeter by 70 centimeter. And again, I am making this for my sister. I hope she enjoys it. Hopefully it comes out really good. Hopefully I don't screw it up somehow. But I really like this. They've got a start date and an end date. Usually I just write that on the back of the canvas, and I might still do that and put this in my book. I haven't decided yet what I want to do, so we will see. Because like I said, I just started this book of all the diamond paintings that I've done. So, alright. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. Oh, there is one thing. So there it is. They're all packed up in the suitcase, or whatever you want to call this. And it looks really good. I just need to, I don't know if I'm going to put a little sticky note on the outside so I can remember which side to open it up on. But the next thing I want to show you all is how I'm going to set up my canvas. So let me do that next. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to work on it from the side because it's so big. And so I'm going to use some washi tape, and I'm going to mark squares. because it's a clear sheet on the top, I'm just going to section it off with the washi tape, and it is a blue washi tape. So I'm just going to lay it on there. So after I do that, then I'm going to use, it's called Slice, and it is a ceramic tip. Look how little it is. And then I'm just going to go down the middle of each piece of tape right here and just lightly go down. And then just check it. You won't ruin the canvas if you don't go too hard. All you're doing is you're trying to slice the washi tape and the plastic that's over it. If you don't get it, just work. There we go. And then you should be able to just pull it down like that. Work on it. If you get this section done, you can take it off, or you can just lay it back over if you want to. But it kind of gives it a more sturdy, the plastic isn't just falling all over the place. Also with using the tape, when you go to pull it down some more and you're cutting it, sometimes when you do that, if you just pull it down, it goes all over the place. I learned that from doing the Swan Lake. Instead of it going in a straight line, it's ripping in other directions. So use the washi tape, that helps. Once you get done with the top this row, then just go to the next row, tape it off, and do it again. Unless you want to tape unless you want to tape up the whole entire painting. If you have a small painting, you can do that. This one is humongous, so I'm just going to do it a section at a time. So there's that. And that's an option. You don't have to do that. I've done diamond paintings a little smaller than this, where I'm just pulling the whole thing down, doing the section that I want to do, and then pulling it up. The problem with that is the stickiness, dust gets on it, so the stickiness might go away or whatever. So, alright, looks like my battery's going out, so you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you later on the next video. Bye-bye.